With this pressure sensor, we are such in a high performance level that we can measure centimeters accuracy level in altitude changes. Thomas, where's the treasure? Help me. There we go.
Cool, it's Eamon with ipXchange. We're at the Bosch booth, which is just over from ours over there. I'm with Mark. He's going to tell us about the smart environmental sensing solutions that they have. There's a barometric pressure sensor here with a rather amusing demo. So Mark, can you explain a little bit about the device itself, and then we'll get on to the demo.
Oh, hello, thank you for coming over to our demo, to our booth. So what we're having here is basically a barometric pressure sensor. I don't know if you can zoom in, connected to our diver here, that's it. And it's gel filled and it's sealed with an O-ring, so that basically it's waterproof. And with this pressure sensor, we are such in a high performance level that we can measure centimeters accuracy level in altitude changes. So what this demo is about, let's do some fun stuff. Basically, the rod here, this demo shows me to go on a level of about 10 centimeters, like this. And then there is a treasure hidden on this level somewhere in the aquarium. Well, I'm a little going to cheat now because I know where it is. So I have to hit this level, and then somewhere over here, there should be a treasure. So what you can see basically when I'm doing very small movements with my hand, but it's very sensitive. But Thomas, where's the treasure? Help me. There we go. So yeah, you can see it's very sensitive and very high performance pressure sensor that of course also works above water.
Cool, so that was very fun. Obviously that's you were saying earlier, this kind of the O-ring model would be very good for smartwatches, wearables, and stuff. But what other applications do you have for the? Would you say a good sweet spot for the non-O-ring version of the product?
So basically, the classical thing is weather stations, but that's boring. So what we address is, for example, the market of GNSS modules, where you basically want to have a precise altitude information on top of the sat-nav of the GPS signal. I said we are in the resolution of a few centimeter resolution we can detect, so that's really high value. Or another big application for us is clogging of filters, for example. We're not measuring differential. You could do it using two on each side of the filter, or one on each side of the filter. But having a pretty lean setup like a vacuum cleaner, for example, you could position the sensor on one side of the filter, define a threshold, and see when the pressure changes too much. Alarm, please replace my filter. So those are two really nice use cases that we see a lot, be it a vacuum cleaner, be it industrial application, HVAC systems, all this kind of stuff.
Oh, excellent. So I'm not sure, did we actually cover how small this sensor is yet?
So the one that we can dive is 3.25 times 3.25 millimeters. That's actually quite bulky for us. The standard pressure sensor is 2 by 2 millimeters. Comes in a small casing. It's basically a QFN package 2 by 2 with an aluminum lid on top to protect it from the environment.
Cool, excellent. So if a design engineer was looking to evaluate this technology, do you have some eval boards that can work?
Yes, we have a standard application board, so we call it. And then on top, you basically put shuttle boards with a sensor on. So it's one standard platform, and you just put the sensor you want to evaluate on that platform. There's a development desktop software that we have on our homepage you can use, and then start to play with our sensors.
Cool. Excellent. And this one is available, or are you launching it at the show at the moment?
So the one that can be done waterproof designs, the BMP 585, will be launched in May this year, so coming really soon. The one that is the standard, using the same IP but non-waterproof, is already available in full mass production since last year.
Cool, excellent. Well, this is the pressure sensor side of the Bosch demo. We'll do the particle matter particle matter sensor in the next video. Cool. Well, no treasure here. That was a great demo, wasn't it? If you want to evaluate Bosch's pressure sensor, link in the description.